This is how to withdraw a Simi apps. Click the Simi. Click the me. Click the wallet. Click the Amethyst and withdraw. May arrows sa gilid. Click the arrow. And then, click the GCash. And then, hanapin si Alpha Coin Seller. And then, highlight the GCash. And then, confirm transfer. Ilagay ang account number at account name. Tsaka, withdraw. I-review nyo yan. Alpha Seller GCash. Okay. And then, confirm. Ayan na, maging ganyan na. I-screenshot nyo, tapos isend sa GC para ako na mag-send sa kay Alpha Seller. Madali lang mag-withdraw. Thank you.